had strange movements in my upper body, and I have twitching in my face that spreads to my lower body. This starts in my upper body and then spreads everywhere. I'm unable to move different parts of my body, and it's hard for me to grip objects, walk, and speak.
This sounds like a disease called Huntington's. Have you had trouble swallowing?
Yes.
What about mentally? Have you been irritable, had loss of drive and initiative, or become more aggressive?
Yes, just last week my family told me I was becoming more moody. And I've had a hard time remembering things as well.
Let me take you in for a physical and psychological examination. If that shows any traces of a disease, then I have a strong feeling it will be Huntington's. If the tests show this, I will take you in for an fMRI to test any changes in your brain. I have the results from the test. It showed that you are positive for Huntington's disease.
Well, I don't understand what that is. Could you explain it to me?
Huntington's disease is a disease passed down through families and is something called an autosomal dominant trait. Both females and males can be affected by this disease and is expressed whenever the gene is present. Any person who's either homozygous dominant or heterozygous will have this disease. Nerve cells and the parts of the brain also waste away or lose function.
So what's going to happen to me eventually?
Your condition is progressive and terminal, but don't worry, you will still have time left in your life. You have 5 to 10 years before it gets worse. We will try our best to make it less painful and easy for you in later stages of the disease. I'm sorry to say though, eventually you will lose the ability to think and do things for yourself.
So what's going to happen to me? Is there anything we can do to stop it?
Unfortunately not. We will try our best to keep you comfortable for as long as possible. The only thing that might lead to treatment or even terminating the disease would be gene therapy, although this has never worked in testing and we have a long way to go to perfecting it.
But how many people have the disease?
Huntington's disease can affect people of all ethnic groups, but you are at high risk of getting it if you're European. In fact, 30,000 individuals in the U.S. have this disease, but an estimated 150,000 people have a 50% chance of getting it.
How am I going to live with this?
I'm so sorry that you have this disease. If you want more help coping with this, then there is an organization called Huntington's Disease Society of America. If you go to the web address I'll give to you, there you can find a chapter of it near you. They have support groups and people donate money to find a cure. You can talk to people in similar situations to yours, and they will give you information on the website about their research and how to live with Huntington's disease and still live a fulfilling life.
Thank you. Give me updates on your discoveries.